Hi, welcome to MindBlend. Today we're diving into a topic we've all wrestled with at some point: how to effectively ignore people and not let them disturb your peace. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by others' opinions or struggled to maintain your peace amidst criticism? It's a common challenge, and mastering the skill of tuning out unnecessary distractions is crucial for your mental well-being. Stay tuned as we unveil 8 effective strategies to help you navigate through noise and negativity. Before we dive in, a quick reminder: consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with easy-to-follow guides that help you navigate personal development effectively. Now let's explore these transformative strategies. First up on our list is establishing boundaries. Imagine your mind as a private garden. Just as you wouldn't allow just anyone to trample through your flowers, you shouldn't let every opinion or comment enter your mental space uninvited. Setting clear personal boundaries is akin to putting up a fence around this garden. It's about knowing where you end and others begin, and it's crucial for maintaining your peace of mind. Boundaries help filter out unnecessary opinions and interactions that can disrupt your tranquility. They act as gatekeepers, ensuring that only those interactions that are constructive and healthy have the privilege of your attention. Consider this: when someone offers unsolicited advice that feels intrusive, a simple yet polite response could be, "Thank you for your input, but I am comfortable with my current approach." This not only asserts your boundary but does so without escalating the situation. With clear boundaries, you control what affects you. Next, let's talk about focusing on your goals. When the world around buzzes with distractions and unsolicited opinions, centering your attention on personal objectives can act as a shield. It's not just about ignoring the noise, but replacing it with something far more constructive: your aspirations. Focusing on goals does more than just distract you. It enriches your psychological landscape. Engaging deeply with your objectives activates a part of your brain that prioritizes long-term satisfaction over short-term disturbances. This shift not only boosts your resilience, but also enhances your overall mental health. So, how do you maintain this focus amidst constant distractions? Start with clear, achievable goals. Break them down into daily tasks. Each small victory keeps your spirits high and your focus sharp. Use tools like planners or apps to keep track of your progress. Most importantly, celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. It reinforces your dedication to your path and not the distractions that may come your way. Remember, your goals are your priority, not the noise around you. Strategy number 3 is selective hearing. Imagine a world where only the sounds that uplift and benefit you reach your ears, filtering out all the noise that holds no value or disrupts your peace. This is the essence of selective hearing, a skill not just useful, but essential in maintaining mental tranquility amidst a sea of opinions. Selective hearing isn't about ignoring everything around you, it's more about tuning your attention to what truly matters. For instance, when someone offers constructive criticism, tune in. But when the conversation turns to needless negativity, it's time to tune out. This practice allows you to focus on feedback and interactions that are genuinely beneficial, enhancing both personal and professional growth. Start by recognizing the triggers that make you feel overwhelmed or undervalued. Once identified, consciously decide to let these moments pass by without engaging emotionally. This doesn't mean you stop caring about others, it simply means you prioritize your mental well-being. Hear what benefits you, ignore what doesn't. Moving on to our next set of strategies. Let's talk about emotional detachment, mindfulness, and positive affirmations, each a powerful tool in crafting a serene mind space amidst the noise. First, emotional detachment. This isn't about being cold or uncaring. Rather, it's about not letting others' opinions and behaviors dictate your emotional state. Imagine you're an observer of your own life, watching events unfold with curiosity rather than judgment. This perspective allows you to respond rather than react, maintaining your peace when criticisms fly. A practical tip: next time you find yourself ruffled by someone's words, take a deep breath and remind yourself, these are just words, they cannot control how I feel. Next, we dive into the tranquil waters of mindfulness. This is all about living in the moment and not getting tangled in the past or anxious about the future. When you're mindful, you're fully present in the here and now, which makes it easier to brush off unnecessary distractions. How do you practice this? Start by focusing on your senses. What do you hear? What do you see? Engage fully with your environment, and let this awareness anchor you away from the chaos of unwelcome opinions. Lastly, the uplifting force of positive affirmations. These are short, powerful statements that you repeat to yourself, designed to foster a positive mental state and self-belief. For instance, telling yourself, "I am competent, I am calm, and I am above negativity," can transform your mindset and your day. Write down a few affirmations that resonate with you and place them where you'll see them daily. This constant reinforcement is a beacon of positivity in your mind, guiding you through rough waters. Integrating these practices, emotional detachment to maintain your calm, mindfulness to stay rooted in the present, and positive affirmations to continually uplift your spirit, can significantly enhance your emotional resilience. By adopting these strategies, you equip yourself with a robust toolkit, making it increasingly easier to navigate through life's distractions with grace and poise. Our final strategies involve your social interactions. Let's dive into strategy 7, social filters. This strategy is all about choosing who you let into your mental and emotional space. It's like being a bouncer at the door of your own mind, deciding who gets in and who doesn't. Social filters involve making conscious decisions about whose opinions matter to you and whose simply do not. Think about the people in your life, who lifts you up, who drags you down. Start to give more weight to the voices that are supportive and beneficial. When someone offers you feedback, ask yourself, is this coming from a place of genuine care? Is it intended to help me improve? If the answers are yes, then perhaps it's worth your attention. Moving on to strategy 8, seeking support. This isn't just about filtering out the bad, it's equally about pulling in the good. Building a network of positive influences can be a game changer. These are the people who will stand by you, offer you sound advice, and cheer you on your journey. Cultivating such a network requires effort. Reach out to those you admire, join groups that reflect your values, and participate in communities that encourage personal growth. Remember, support can come in many forms: a kind word, a listening ear, or even a shared experience. In essence, the art of ignoring isn't about isolation, it's about selective interaction. By implementing social filters and actively seeking out supportive relationships, you create a healthier environment for yourself. Surround yourself with positivity, and filter out the rest. Let's quickly recap the strategies to help you ignore the unnecessary and focus on what truly matters. First, establishing boundaries is crucial. Clearly define what you are and aren't willing to accept from others. This acts as a shield, protecting your mental space from unwanted intrusions. Next, always keep your eyes on the prize, focus on your goals. When you're driven by your aspirations, the noise around you tends to fade into the background. This focus acts as a natural barrier against distractions. Then, there's the art of selective hearing. It's not about ignoring important feedback, but about tuning out negativity that doesn't serve your growth or well-being. We also discussed the power of emotional detachment. By not taking things personally, you can maintain your peace more effectively. It's about observing situations rather than getting emotionally entangled with them. Mindfulness was another key strategy. Staying present and aware helps you not to dwell on past interactions or future anxieties. It anchors you in the now, where peace resides. Positive affirmations reinforce your self-worth and combat negative voices, both internal and external. These affirmations are your armor in the battlefield of opinions. We talked about using social filters, choosing deliberately what influences to let into your life. It's about quality over quantity in your social interactions. Lastly, seeking support reminds you that you're not alone. Building a supportive network can provide strength and perspective when you need it most. Implement these strategies and watch how your life changes for the better. We've reached the end of our guide. If any of these strategies spoke to you, or if you've discovered your own ways to maintain serenity amidst the chaos, we'd love to hear about it. Drop your experiences and tips in the comments below. It's through sharing that we grow stronger together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that helps you navigate through life's noise with ease. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep blending out the noise.